Okay, let's put our browned hamburger into our frying pan, just like that. Let's add our diced tomatoes. Our water. And our macaroni. Just like that. And let's mix this together. Now let's start our burner. And let's bring it to a boil. And we'll simmer that for 20 minutes and I'll show you the next step. Okay. Now that we let it simmer for 20 minutes, let's add our garlic powder. And our salt. And let's add our cheese. And let's mix this together. And now let's let our cheese melt in there for a few minutes, and I'll show you next step, our finished product.
So if you want something to hold